Hi guys, my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be filming my monthly Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys like to call these videos. I can't believe it's the last one of 2019. I feel like 2019 was honestly a blur. This is probably the last video that you're seeing for 2019. I'm pre-filming this, but this is going up on December 30th. So this is the last video probably that you'll be seeing 2019, unless something comes up and I decide to upload one the very next day. But honestly, 2018 was such a blur. It was a rough year, but there was some really high points. There was a lot of rough points. I feel like both 2018 and 2019 have been pretty difficult, so I just have a good feeling about 2020. I mean, every year has its ups and downs for sure. Like, it doesn't matter, but I don't know. I just feel like the past couple years have just been kind of rough. I don't know, but I could do a whole separate video on that, and maybe that's the video you guys will see on New Year's Eve. I don't know, but today's video, again, is my Ipsy video. Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription service. I have dozens of these videos on my channel because I've been a member for so long. I can't believe I'll be going into another year of Ipsy. That's also pretty wild to me, so yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into it. If you are subscribed to Ipsy, let me know what your favorite item was in your Ipsy bag down below. And if you're not subscribed, I'll leave my referral link down in the description as well. And it really helps me out, so thank you so much if you decide to use that. So here is the December bag for 2019. It is really cute, just shiny and silver, and then it has a matte green on the zipper here. And it's just really cute, perfect for the holidays. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. But I really do like the glam bag design this month. It's very simple yet festive. This month's theme is Shine On. This is what the card looks like. It says, this month, let's clink glasses to a full year of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. So here is the card of all my products that I'm receiving this month. So I'll look that over and let you guys know if there's anything you should know. Ooh, a new brand. So this is by Jolie, or Jolly with two eyes. And it's the Luxe Cream Matte. And it looks like a lip product. Packaging is gorgeous. You guys know I love supporting small brands, so this is really cool. This color is quite vibrant. I don't even know if it's a color that I will wear, but I'm so curious. Let's go ahead and swatch it and see what the formula is like. I will tell you the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's very sleek but simple and gorgeous. It's very smooth. It's a lot more wearable than I thought. It looks a little bit more vibrant to me in the tube than it does in person. So like I said, it is a little bit more wearable. Honestly though, I wouldn't try this out until the spring, so I'm surprised they included this in the December bag, but it is a really smooth formula and I want to look more into this brand, so I'll look into it and see if I decide to try anything or reach out to the company or anything like that. But I really like the formula of this lip product. The next product I received in my Ipsy bag is a skincare product, and I've received this product before in my Ipsy bag, maybe even a couple times. I'm not sure, but I know at least once. This is the H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream, Water Gel Cream Moisturizer. I am not super fond of this kind of stuff, as you guys know, and I have really sensitive skin, and I'm filming this late at night, and this new foundation that I'm trying is wearing off, so you can see my makeup more. My skin is very sensitive, so I have to use certain skincare products, and I found somewhat of a skincare regimen that does not irritate my skin. It doesn't help my acne too much, but it doesn't make it worse, but it just doesn't help it either. It stays at bay, so that is good for me right now. So I would be passing this along to a friend, only because I'm not familiar with the ingredients in this product, and I just have to be so careful at what I put on my face because it can cause a lot of acne, irritation, itchiness. Like, I just have very, very sensitive skin. As I mentioned, I'll be passing this along. The next product that I see in my Ipsy bag is also a new brand that I'm familiar with, a smaller brand, and this is by Space Case Cosmetics. I said that weird, cosmetics. That was so unnecessary. The packaging looks identical to ColourPop. This is a blush, I believe. Here's what it looks like. I'll swatch it for you guys, but this is the It's Not Me, It's My Sign blush. It's really, really creamy. The formula reminds me a lot of ColourPop too. So here is what the swatch looks like. The pigment isn't quite there. I mean, For a blush, it's probably nice. I'd have to try it out, but the formula reminds me a lot of ColourPop. It has the same consistency. It looks really, really good, and I'm impressed. It's just a very natural blush. I love natural, so my voice sounds weird all of a sudden. I love natural and just natural look, so this is a beautiful blush. I'm happy with my Ipsy bag so far. This has been really good. For the Space Case Cosmetics blush, it says all of these brands' products are vegan and cruelty-free, so that is amazing. Ooh, I always get so excited when I see a product from Tarte because they're one of my all-time favorite makeup brands, so I don't even know what this is. Okay, oh my goodness, we have a bronzer, and I've been wanting to try a new bronzer for so long. I've been using the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm Cosmetics for so many years. I'm just trying to get rid of the dang thing. If you want a bronzer that lasts a long time and you don't like having to buy makeup all the time, buy the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer because I just can't seem to get rid of the dang thing. I love it, don't get me wrong, but I've just had it for so long. I'm ready to move on. I'm ready to try something new. I'm just ready and it won't go away, but I need to use it up, so I keep using it. But anyways, so excited to look at this because I've never tried a bronzer from Tarte. Let's be honest, like all the products that I've tried from Tarte have been amazing, so I expect nothing less. This is the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. This is a really nice sample size, and here's what the packaging looks like. Let's get into the important stuff and swatch it. So here is what the bronzer looks like. I hope this isn't too orangey for me, but I feel like it might be. I feel so bad saying something kind of negative about Tarte. It's a little bit too orangey for me for a bronzer. I have to be honest with you guys, and it pains me to say something a little bit negative about Tarte because I don't think I ever have before, because I've loved all the products that I've tried. Consistency is amazing though, pigmentation is amazing, and I'll definitely be using this as an eyeshadow. It won't go to waste, but I don't get bronzer samples very often, so I was eager to try this. It's just too orangey, my skin tone. That's okay, we'll repurpose it as an eyeshadow and it will still go to good use, but the pigmentation, everything about it is amazing. Just for my skin tone in particular, it's not the right fit. All else aside, it's a great product. The last product in my Ipsy bag is by the brand Phase Zero Makeup, and this is in the shade, this is a pressed eyeshadow in the shade Nude Newbie. I've tried a couple products from Phase Zero Makeup and their products are so nice. I've tried a blush from them, and I believe I've also tried a bronze? No, I think it was just a blush, but they're really nice products. I received a blush from them. I think it was a blush in another Ipsy bag, a previous Ipsy bag, and like I said, their products are so nice. So this is what the packaging looks like. Just, it's pretty classic, nothing special. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I finally got it open. This eyeshadow speaks Michaela. It seems like it's been swatched a little bit, but the packaging was like super sealed, so I don't know. Let's swatch it because, oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. You can see it because it's really light, but it's like a highlight shade, and it is so gorgeous. I could use this as a highlighter or eyeshadow, honestly, and I love putting these kind of colors on my lid. This is gorgeous, and you can't even see it. I'll see if I can find a swatch, but I don't know. So, oh, that is gorgeous. I love it. So that is everything in my December 2019 Ipsy bag. I absolutely love this month's Ipsy bag. It's probably one of my favorites of the year, and just some really great products. Ipsy did a great job customizing this bag. I also forgot to tell you guys in the beginning of this video that I forgot to choose my December product. So if you're new to Ipsy within like the past 3 months, Ipsy has a new feature, at least in the glam bag, the basic glam bag subscription, that you can pick one of your 5 products every month now. Like they give you a list to choose from, and you can pick one of the 5 products, and I forgot to do that. I missed the email this month, and so Ipsy had to generate my entire Ipsy bag like olden days. I didn't get to pick one of my 5 products, which I really missed because I love that feature. That's one of my favorite new features, but they still did an amazing job. I love almost everything except the H2O Beauty Gel Moisturizer, water-based gel moisturizer. But other than that, I love everything. So even though I missed out on that email, it was like almost a perfect Ipsy bag. So I'm still super happy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next year. Oh my gosh, that sounds so weird to say. Alright, bye guys.